This is a your turn question that goes with example one. Pretty much impossible for me to know what environment you're working in. Some of you might be in a school, some of you may be working at home and so on. But just to give a general idea of how you might go about doing this, I found this picture of a schoolroom. Here we've got the blackboard, and they were asking to estimate the height of the blackboard ledge where the chalk was going to go. And I'm really basing that now on the fact that I'm thinking that the door handle or the doorknob for this door into or out of the classroom is going to be about halfway up. It's kind of hidden here behind this student, but that's going to be approximately 1 meter. And so a good sort of approximation for where the blackboard chalk ledge would be is going to be 1 meter. And then you would use a tape measure. A tape measure or a ruler would be an appropriate measuring device, not a caliper. That's for measuring things that are really small. And you will get some questions like that probably from your teacher is, what is an appropriate measuring device? A ruler, a meter stick, maybe not a ruler because it's too small, but a meter stick would be appropriate or a tape measure would be appropriate, and then you'd measure that, you get a more exact answer, but you would expect it to be close to 1 meter or 100 centimeters. So if you were getting an answer, like 23 millimeters, then you're reading your measuring device incorrectly. 23 centimeters would still not be in the right ballpark, then something's going wrong there. 230 centimeters, all of these would not be appropriate. We're expecting kind of our benchmark to be 100 centimeters, and then you could get a more accurate answer using your tape measure or your meter stick.